Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Working with time zones in Java can be crucial for applications that require date and time manipulation across different geographical locations. Java provides a robust API for handling time zones through the java.util.timezone class and the newer java.time package introduced in Java 8. Understanding time zones in Java. 1. Time zone class. The time zone class represents a time zone offset, and it can also represent daylight saving time, DST, for a specific region. 2. Zoneid and zoneddatetime. In Java 8 and later, the java.time package introduced zoneid and zoneddatetime, which are more modern and easier to use for time zone handling. Getting time zones with time zone. You can get a specific time zone using the timezone.gettimezone, string ID, method, where the ID is typically the area/location format, example America/new_York. Example code using time zone. Here's a simple example demonstrating how to get and display the current time in different time zones using the time zone class. Getting time zones with java.time. Java 8 introduced a more efficient and easier approach to handle date and time with the java.time package. You can use zoneid and zoneddatetime for better time zone handling. Example code using java.time. Here is an example that demonstrates how to get the current time in different time zones using the java.time package. Explanation of the code. 1. Import statements. The necessary classes are imported from java.util and java.time. 2. Time zone IDs. A list of common time zone IDs is defined. 3. Getting current date/time. In the first example, we use the date class to get the current date and time. In the second example, we use zoneddatetime to get the current time in UTC. 4. Looping through time zones. For each time zone ID, the current time is calculated and displayed. Conclusion. Java provides powerful tools to handle time zones effectively. While the older time zone class is still functional, the newer java.time package offers a more modern and intuitive API for handling date and time, making it the preferred choice for new applications. Always remember to consider the time zone when working with date and time to ensure accuracy across different regions.